Eto na nga mga katakaos, binisita namin ang nagta-trending na cafe sa Amadeo, Cavite, ang Cafe Carolina. Isang taong nang nagsaserve ng masarap na kape at pagkain ng cafe na ito. Marami na rin naka-experience mag-dine-in at nagbigay ng magandang feedback. Kaya mga katakaos, tayo naman ang sumubok. Una natin ang beef lasagna, which for me, nothing special, hindi nalalayo sa ibang lasanyang natikman na natin. We also tried aglio olio. It's different from other aglio that I tried because they add crab fat paste, and that complements the pasta and gives that strong flavor na hindi nakakaumay. It's a must try kapag nabisita kayo dito. And we also tried nachos. Inamoy ko kaagad kasi I don't know kung ako lang pero amoy maasim yung mga nachos na natikman ko. Na konti na lang amoy kilikili na. Pero this one is different. Walang ganong amoy. Yun naman pala kasi, they use ground pork. And it's still masarap. And yung cheese, hindi tinipid ah. And of course, di mawawala ang paborito nating chicken Alfredo. And I must say, hindi ako na-disappoint sa creaminess niya at ang sarap. Or baka bias lang ako kasi nga paborito ko. But still, panalo for me. Caramelized pork belly. Though yung name pa lang, akala mo na agad matamis. But it's not too sweet. I just don't like na medyo matigas na yung pork na parang hindi freshly cooked. It's like pork adobo na ulam mo nung lunch then inulit mo nung dinner. Pero yung rice nila ha, it's sticky, white, and mabango. So kahit anong ulam, panalo. Pero wow sa ganda ng mga plato ha, napansin ko lang mga katakaos. It's classy, heavy, at gusto kong iuwi. For dessert, we had Choco Banafol. It's a waffle loaded with chocolate chips with fresh banana slice and luscious whipped cream with dark chocolate sauce. Oh, binasa ko lang yun nasa menu talaga mga katakaos. The waffle itself pa lang is delicious na and lalo pang sumarap dahil sa mga toppings and whipped cream sa ibabaw. And again, I like na it's not too sweet. We also had Sans Rival. It's not on the menu but it's on display sa counter. And since favorite din natin to, kaya order na din agad. It's so delicious, lalo na siguro kapag bagong labas sa fridge. And it's not too sweet din, kaya hindi ka din magsasawa agad. Chocolate glazed cake. I think they use 3 kinds of chocolates. And it looks very dark. And I'm surprised that it's not too sweet nor bitter. And hindi siya nakakaumay. Feeling ko kaya kong umubos ng kalahati ng buong cake nito. Sige na nga, yung buong cake na. At syempre, ang forever favorite ng cameraman natin, ang matcha latte. This time, hot yung in-order niya. The matcha flavor is strong compared sa cold. Nakakatawa lang kasi it looks like lumot pala kapag hot. And talagang nag-recruit siya ng matcha lover din na katulad niya. Blackberry Ceylon Tea. And yes, katakaos, hindi ko alam kung ano yung Ceylon Tea. And because of that, napag-google tayo. I found out that it's produced in Sri Lanka and it contributes towards weight loss. Nakalimutan kong haluin bago tikman kaya hindi ko masyadong lalasahan ng maayos. But I think it's really nice. We also tried their bestseller Spanish latte. It's not too sweet but has strong coffee flavor. I recommend visiting on Saturday because they have acoustic nights from 7 to 10 p.m. You can also visit any day but I highly recommend sa gabi para mas ma-feel nyo yung ganda ng place and yung mga pailaw. And because it's open space, according to my pamangkin, mainit kapag sa lunchtime or early afternoon. Though meron din namang indoor but I think it can only accommodate around 16 people. And if you are a certified plantito or plantita, the best is outside dahil mabubusog din ang inyong mga mata sa dami ng magagandang halaman and damang-dama mo yung lamig ng Tagaytay. You can also play some game boards like Scrabble, Monopoly, and chess. From Tagaytay Maharlika Petron, estimated time travel is around 10 minutes. Just be alert kasi hindi masyadong madaling mapansin yung place. And for those who's planning to stay overnight sa Tagaytay, meron ding silang Airbnb called The Deck House. Check their Facebook page for September monthly bundle promo. And speaking of Facebook page, like and follow nyo na din ang ating Katakaos page. All in all, masarap mga food, very affordable and sulit, relaxing and the best place to tambay with friends, relatives, or with someone special. At laging tandaan, huwag takaw mata, kumain lang ng tama.